students of Standard 7 are going to perform a small activity on Science Day.
Yes, do you know what are we going to present today?
Yes, a volcanic eruption.
Do you know what is volcano? Volcano blasts out smoke, ash and red hot lava and rock.
Volcanoes are formed where hot liquid bursts through a crack or a hole in the Earth's crust.
Now let's do an experiment to learn more.
Hope do you like our experiment. Thank you.
Start.
Hello friends, today we are going to show you how to purify dirty water. Materials. First we have to take a plastic bottle. Second we have to take a plug. Third we have to take powdered gold. Then we have to take fine sand.
Method. First we have to take a plastic bottle and cut it in half.
Then we have to take the plastic bottle which is half. Then we have to take the top of the plastic bottle and cover it with a cloth.
Then we have to take the top of the plastic bottle and we upside down it, and then we have to put some gold.
And the next step is to put some fine sand in it. And now we have to put some water.
Now the clear water drops are coming. So this is how to purify. This is how to purify your dirty water.
Thank you.
Very loud.
We are from In Mumbai. Hi, my name is Myra. Hi, my name is Sanchi.
Hi, my name is Rohan.
Hi, my name is Hida. Hi, my name is Shalu. Hi, my name is Shravani. And we have done a project in Kaleidoscope. And the process to make this kaleidoscope are, first we have to take a triangular shaped mirror and stick it together with the help of the tape. And then we have to take a white paper, the rectangular shape, and stick it down of the kaleidoscope. And then you can put, as you can see, you can put some shells, mirrors or paper balls in that, and with this we can create different types of designs. And now Shalom will continue.
The speciality of this kaleidoscope is that they show unique designs every time, and it does not repeat the unique designs. And many designers use them for making clothes and for making wall designs.
Thank you.
Okay,
Good evening
nice.
to all. We, the students of 9th, are here to present the project. We are here to present the excretion of in human beings. Now my friend will explain us about the accession of human beings.
So basically there are two pairs of kidneys, two ureters and one convoluting tubule. Here this is the urinary bladder which stores the urine. So basically blood from the body goes towards the kidneys, and here with the help of nephrons the blood is filtered and nitrogenous waste and urea is removed. The same urea when removed goes down the ureters and is collected in the urinary bladder. As you can see, there are droplets of this waste which is going towards the urinary bladder. With the help of no control, this waste is removed from the body.
Thank you.
Good evening, respected sir. Today, myself Sachin Patel and my team Sheetal Nahar, Akshit Singh. We are here to explain the respiratory system. This is not an accurate model of the respiratory system, but it consists of the major organs. This straw here is the trachea. These two straws are the bronchi. These two balloons are the lungs, and this large balloon is the diaphragm. As we breathe in, air and dust travels through the nostrils. The nostrils consist of air, which traps dust in them, and the rest of the air is traveled to the trachea.
Trachea's function is to carry air in and out of the lungs.
After this filtration process, later trachea branches into two bronchi.
They have small hairs known as cilia, which move to and fro so that the mucus, the sticky substance which catch and help the harmful bacteria to not enter our body.
After another filtration process, this air travels into the lungs.
The lung is a primary organ in respiratory system. In respiratory system, they take life sustaining oxygen in our body and get rid of different types of gases, example carbon dioxide.
Another organ which is in the lungs is also called as the alveolus. In the alveolus, gases exchange happens. Another organ which we did not explain yet is the diaphragm.
It is a large dome-shaped muscle. When we breathe, the diaphragm contracts, and when we breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes.
This was our respiratory explanation. Thank you for your patience.
Good evening everyone, my name is Shaurya Sonapne.
My name is Arvind Bale.
My name is Adhan Chaudhary.
My name is Prashant Bali.
My name is Ayush Gupta, and today we are going to explain you the process of electroplating. Electroplating is also known as the electrochemical deposition or electrodeposition.
Materials used in this are a battery, wires, copper and iron plates, double-sided tape, a beaker, and copper sulfate.
It is the process for producing a metal coating on a It is a process for producing a metal coating on a solid substance through the reduction of a cation of the metal, which is also known as direct electric current.
We electroplate objects for two reasons. Number one, to protect the metal against corrosion, and number two, to produce particles.
When the battery is on, the copper sulfate solution divides into two, copper ions and sulfate ions. The copper ion sticks to the iron plate, which is negative terminal, and the copper ions which are present in the copper plate goes and dissolves to the sulfate solution, which removes the lack of copper ions.
As you can see, electroplating has occurred on the metal plate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, very